Hi, this is Ashish Amin and welcome to IDBI Direct. Subscribe to our channel to stay updated with stock market and personal finance related videos. The market is buzzing with IPOs. So far in 2021, market has already seen 30 IPOs and 4 more IPOs are set to open today. Are you wondering whether you should invest in IPOs? In today's videos, I will explain the basic of IPOs and tell you the pros and cons of investing in IPO. Stay tuned to the end of the video. Let's start with the understanding what is an IPO. As a company grows, need for the capital to operate increases. Company can either source it from the bank or from the investor. When the company sell a significant amount of shares in the open market and investors like you and me buy, it's called going public. That's called IPO. And as an investor, once you buy a share, you own a portion of a company and have a right over the company and its profit in the same portion. Now let's have a look at the pros of applying to an IPO. First, it gives you an opportunity to act early. If you did your research and found out that a company has a strong growth perspective, you look at applying for the IPOs. Since it is the first time that the shares are out in open market, you have an opportunity to enter your position. You can benefit from listing gains or can hold it for a long period. Secondly, pricing is transparent and at the time of IPOs, you get all the information in the RHP filed by the company. Post the IPO, the price of the stock depends on a lot of external factors like investor interest, competition, sectorial performance, analyst forecast and many more. Third benefit is that you stand to reap great returns out of small investment. Most of the IPOs provide discount to the retail quota. Hence, you automatically start with an advantage. A well-researched IPO investment is attractive, but let's be well informed and learn about the risk associated with IPOs too. Some IPO fail. You need to research well before applying. Don't just look at the numbers of companies providing. Do your own research and as well read analyst report and remember that IPOs are not there to make you rich overnight. As any other investment, you need to research and take action accordingly. Now you have all the information you need. You can apply to the IPO through our platform, link in description box.